Hello everyone. In this time, you are going to learn how to solve a given total differential equation by inspection method. For that, I have taken an example. Solve y plus z dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. So you compare this differential equation with p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. You will realize that p is y plus z, q is 1, r is 1. You put the value of curl q over curl z, curl r over curl y, curl r over curl x minus curl p over curl z, curl p over curl y minus curl q over curl x. From this expression, along with p, q, r, you will get 0. Therefore, the condition of integrability is satisfied for the given differential equation. So we can integrate it or find a solution of it. You can see that the given differential equation can be written as dx plus dy plus dz over y plus z equal to 0. How I have written it? I have divided this equation. The given equation y plus z throughout at all the times. Therefore, the given equation looks like this one. Now, this equation can be integrated just by inspection. You don't have to do anything. You see carefully that dx, when you integrate dx, you will get x. When you integrate this whole expression, you will get log of y plus z. Reason is that the differential derivative of y plus z is found to be in the numerator, dy plus dz. Therefore, integration of this whole term will be log of y plus z is equal to minus log of c1. You can write it integrability constant. Then you have just simplified it and you got e raised to x y plus z equal to c as the solution of given differential equation. Now look at one more example. Here the given equation is yz log z dx minus zx log z dy plus xy dz equal to 0. Again, you compare this equation with p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. You will get p is equal to curl yz log z, q is equal to minus zx log z, r equal to xy. Now you have to check whether the condition of integrability is satisfied or not. For that, you have to find out the value of this whole expression. And in this expression, you have to put the value of p. P is nothing but yz log z. Then curl q over curl z is obtained from this q. That is the partial derivative of q with respect to z. Now you can differentiate it by the rule of product rule by keeping this x as constant. U into v is applied to z into log z. Then you will get the derivative of z is 1 and x into log z remains intact. But when you apply for the second time, you will get the derivative of log z as 1 over z. 1 over z into z is cancelled out and you got only x. Then curl r over curl y is obtained from here. Curl r over curl y means the derivative of r with respect to y by keeping x as constant. Therefore, curl r over curl y will be 1 into x. So this is x over there. Similarly, other expressions are obtained for this second term and third term. When you substitute this term and simplify, you will get 0. Therefore, condition of integrability is satisfied, and thus the equation can be written as. Now you look here how I am writing this equation. Y dx minus x dy over xy plus dz over z into log z. This equation is simply a rearrangement of things. When I say you that you solve the given equation by inspection method, it means that you have to rearrange the terms in the given differential equation so that exact differentials are obtained from there. This whole equation can be written just by dividing xy into log z. You just divide this whole expression by xy into log z into log z. Then you will get this whole expression. The benefit of this is that you can get equation dx over dx minus dy over dy plus 1 over z dz over log z equal to 0. And you have to integrate this expression, this equation, and on integrating you will get log x minus log y plus log of log z equal to log c. See, you have to rearrange the terms only in a way that you can integrate the given equation in a simple way. So this is simply a rearrangement of the terms. Now you just simplify the logarithmic terms, that is log x plus log of log z. You will get log m into n over log y, that is minus log y, that means x log z over z is equal to log c. Log will cancel out and you will get the expression in x, y, z. That will be the solution of given differential equation. Thank you.